Please, neighbors, continue to pop fireworks and have fun with your family and laugh while I'm trying to film a YouTube video. Have you no respect for my work?
I'm awkward and hungry. Get used to it.
I am, of course, kidding. They can pop fireworks all they want. I don't care. And I hope you guys won't either. Welcome back to the channel. I am Mr. L, and today is a video that was going to be coming out last week, but I was struck by procrastination, and this figure has literally been sitting on my desk since last Sunday. So yeah. Okay, but we already went over the accessories, the Kingpin arm that she came with, and the staff for Kingpin. This weird looking whip thing that's also on her waist. And now to the figure. Okay, so the paint job looks pretty good. You can see the cat eyes right here. And fun fact about this figure, the fur right here is actually removable. So if you want, you can probably like use scissors or something, or like a knife to cut this and take it off. But for the hands, excuse me, for the hands, you can actually take off the hands and take this piece off. So if you're looking to customize this figure, that is something you can do, unless you want to leave them on. That may sound like Godzilla stomping, but it is actually fireworks. Okay, the face is completely different from the first release of Black Cat in the, what's it called, Hobgoblin wave. And she is in an outfit that is not inappropriate, so you can see she's completely covered. And I remember that this is more of a mob boss Black Cat, if I'm not mistaken, but if you've seen Get to Know Me, my Get to Know Me video, then you know why I don't know that. Alright, so for articulation for this figure, even with the, okay, well not really, you can't turn the head all the way around because the hair inhibits the rest of the movement. The head goes this far down, and this far up. She has an arm hinge that goes all the way up. And all the way down. And all the way around. Single jointed elbow. Rotation at the elbow. Rotation at the wrist. And both, right? Both hands? Yeah, both hands have this weird roll of the dice movement instead of this kind of movement. She has a diaphragm joint that goes this far forward and this far back. Her legs go this far forward and this far back. Thigh rotation, double jointed knees, foot hinge that goes down and up, and she has an ankle rocker pivot. This person can stand. Hold on. Hold on, one moment. Okay, I finally got her to stand. Here is a size comparison with the Emma Frost, the Walgreens exclusive Emma Frost, which I did not mention that she's a Walgreens exclusive in that review. And hold on. Sorry, I was trying to fix the light. But yeah, she's a Walgreens exclusive. And here is Black Cat next to the Marvel Now, or my custom Marvel Now Cyclops. This is the, by the way, this is the same body and everything as my movie one. Well, actually, this is the movie one, but I painted it and customized it. And I decustomized my Namor. So he's back to being regular old Namor, and he is right next to Black. You know what? No wonder you're not always on land. Okay, guys. That is it for this review. Thank you guys so much for putting up with me. But no, seriously. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, comment down below, and let me know what are your plans for 4th of July. Mine, I'm probably going to be blowing out some birthday candles. Because July 3rd is my birthday. You know, so I'm not going to blow out candles just to blow out birthday candles, but still. Huh. Okay, guys, let me fix the lighting. There we go. Better? Worse? The same? No, okay, I'll figure it out later. But okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Mr. L is out.
On the left is my previous video, on the right is a fun playlist, and right in the middle is my subscribe button, so go click it.